Hello guys! Good morning! Good morning sa inyong lahat. Happy morning Sunday sa inyong lahat. I hope that you can have a good morning and don't forget to go to church. I don't have plan to go to church today guys. Honestly, I want to rest only, stay home, and we have a plan to go to beach later. Yes, I'm so sorry Lord. I didn't plan to go. I don't want to say obvious alibi. Hello? Nag-think pa ako. I need to think what I need to say. I don't want to say more alibis, but I want to say sorry, Lord, because I don't have plan to go to church. And I don't want to say promises when I go to church because I know that it's a wrong, and it's a mistake that I did. Yes. Yun nga yun, Lord. I love you. Yes. Hi, Storm. Why you are thinking? Don't make me dirty, okay? No, you stop. Ay, shit. Yung dress ko, Storm. Si Storm naman. Yung aso ko, guys, tingnan mo, guys. He is crazy. Yeah, he is like that. In the morning, if you cannot say hi, hello to him, he will do something to pull your clothes down. Yes, that's Storm. If you're thinking that he is a brusco, he's a naughty. And last night I thought that I cannot wash him, but I succeed. He's doing like that. But honest is, if you are the owner of your dog never bite the owners. Yes, and maybe people can bite, but dog never bite you. Yes. And this is my dog, my sweetest Storm. Yeah. And I wish that there's no storm today. It's very shiny. Ouch! You hurt me. You hurt mommy, baby. Ow! Storm! Don't bite. Don't bite. Ganyan yan, guys. Nanggigigil sa ganda ko, di ba? Guys, pasensyahan nyo na yung nagbablock ng video. May tuliling yan, guys. Honest is, if I do singing or dancing, they are dying jealous to me. Oh my God, insecure girls. I'm so sorry. I want that you say hi instead of blocking my videos. Do you feel more insecure? Honestly, I'm not fatty girl like what you wish. You're making how do you feel that you are in Kulam sessions? Do you feel good? Yeah. That guys, alam mo guys kung sino yung nagba-block sa akin, yung mangkukulam insecure yan na mukhang nakabayo ng Dracula. Yan, yun guys ang nagba-block ng video ko, nakabayo yan guys ng maitim ang puwet. Kaya yun, bad trip kapag ako'y sumasayaw at kumakanta sa aking YouTube channels. Oh my God, if you don't mind, I'm songwriter in my own YouTube channel. So, enjoy guys, enjoy blocking. I don't care who you are. Yes, I don't care. The important is I will do my YouTube channels because that's what I want. That is my dreams. And Storm, baby, come here. Say hello muna. Say hello. Hello. This is my dog. My dog. It's big, big puppies na. Oh my God. Oh. What are you doing? Yeah, ayan nga guys, ang aking aso noon. Storm, dinadala ko sa ilog. Pinamamarks ko kasama ako. Hoy, Storm, stop! He follow wherever I go, and then I try to walk to the river. He follow after me. And then yun nga guys, pinagtatawanan ko siya nung baby siya kasi he's scared to be away from me. And then yeah, I try if he's not scared to go to the river, I go to the river. Until now guys, he do it, especially if I didn't wash him. Yes, he do it self, washing himself, and then look messy later. Yeah, that's my dog. Storm, look, I want that they know you. Say hi to my dog. It's only me here in my own house. here in Philippines. I'm alone because nanay want to be alone too. And we build a little tiny house to him in backyard because that's what she want, and she don't want to sleep with me because I'm very nosy, what do you call that, noisy inside the house because I love music, and my mom is I disturbing her every time that she's sleeping. Yes. And we decide to build a house, but Nanay is never come back because that she built her own and she want to have a silent life. Ayun guys, yun lang. Yeah, that's me. I love music. I feel more sleepy if my ears is more tired to listening a music, and I feel like if I'm watching movie, I need to tell you guys, if I'm watching movie, especially if I feel a little bit bored, um, mamalayan mo, I'm snorking already. Yes, that's me. I want, if I watch a movie, it's suspense, in the beginning, it's more suspense already. Yun yung gusto ko. At gusto ko guys, manood ng horror na umpisa pa lang ng movie is scary na. Yun yung gusto ko para hindi ako maging sleepy head. By the way guys, thank you for watching. Baka magtaka kayo why my house is very silent. Nanay want to have a silent, and yeah, it's good to have a peaceful life because I don't like messy house, especially my living room. Gusto ko yung living room ko kung paano ko iniwanan sa gabi, ganun din ang itsura niya sa araw. Ayan guys, this is my living room. Yan. Yan. At gusto ko guys malinis. Gusto ko kapag natulog ako, bago ako matulog, malinis ang aking living room. Gusto ko gigising ako na ganyan ang itsura niya. Ay kasi kapag nandito sila, 'di ba? Nandoon na 'yan ang gulo-gulo. Mga bata takbo dito, takbo doon, kalat dito, kalat doon. Ayun yung ayaw ko sa bahay, guys. Kaya para sabihin ko sa inyo, simple lang ang aking bahay. Yes, it's a simple house that I build full of love and happiness. Kaya itong bahay ko guys, kapag pumunta dito ang family ko, parang hinahayaan ko na magkalat sila. It's your turn to make my life or make my house messy. I don't care. The important is if I'm alone, I want my house clean, and I don't like that everywhere is messy like that. No. Yan. Ang aking home sweet home. Feeling ko kasi guys, mas the best mag-relax sa sala, but I don't have there's cables, but there's no loads because I'm not interested to watch Filipino movie. I'm so sorry, but there's a love story, it's nice too, but most of the time when I was in Europe, when I was in Denmark, I always watch English. I love English movie, guys. Yes, that's me. Not because I'm mayabang. No, I'm not mayabang, guys. I need to be real to myself. That's me. I love English movie. Yes, kasi may mga mga celebrity sa sa LA na inaabangan ko yung movie nila, yung mga ganon. At for me, it's more more exciting to watch their movie. Yes. Ayun lang guys, ganyan ang bahay ko guys. Gusto ko ganyan. Gigising ako ng ganyan. Maingay ako sa music. Yes, I love music. But pagdating sa messy house, it's okay that my room is messy. Not all of the house because I feel headache. I feel like, I have a migraine every day. Yes, if I say that, house is look very messy. Yes, ayoko na magulo guys. Yun ako. At hindi dahil maarte ako. Dati pa guys, ganyan na ako. Yung bahay namin noon ay isang ano lang, bamboo, made of bamboos, but I hate that my siblings make messy inside the house. Kasi ano, nakakapagod, hindi ka makakapag-relax. You'll never feel relaxing if the house is messy all the time. Kaya yung bahay namin dati guys sa ano, doon sa Ilawod, doon pa yung bahay namin dati doon sa Ilawod side, sa Purok ano ba, Purok 1, 2, Purok number 3 yata or 4. I don't know. I'm not sure what kind of purok is that there. And our surrounded gardens is more of flowers and fruits. Yes, that's our house. Bamboo, made of bamboos, but ano, it's clean. Yes. And I'm the type of person that I love to decorate, especially Christmas. Yes. Gusto ko Christmas na Christmas ang dating. Yung parang ganyan ako dati pa guys. Kahit na maliit na bagay lang na ano, mayroon akong Christmas tree, made of tree, yung ganong branches of tree. Nilalagyan ko yan ng mga candies, mga decoration. Nagbumibili ako ng mga, what do you call that? Yung, alam mo yung letters ng Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ganyan. Every time that I have a money, I will use for my house. Ganyan nga ako guys. Kaya nung when I stay in Denmark in how many years, my hobby is, to go to second-hand boutique and buy something for kitchen. Ganyan ako. I love to buy things for my house, especially in kitchens. Kasi guys, mahilig ako magluto. Yes, I love cooking. I love to do experiments how to make food. Ganyan ako guys. At nung bata si when Janine is a baby, I think she's from 1 year old to since her cakes I made itself. Yes. And we make bake. She helped too. How to make pizza, how to make buko pie. That's Janine. Ma'am, can we bake? Ganun yan. Magbe-bake kami. So, magbe-bake kami, guys. Minsan, gagawa kami ng ice cream. Mayroon kaming, what do you call that? Ice cream machine. But that kind of bowls, you need to put inside the freezer to be frozen. And then we make we make strawberry ice cream. Ipapatong ko sa lamesa yan, guys. Behave na behave siya at naghihintay siya. She's waiting that she will eat ice cream soon. Ganon si Janine nung bata. Kasi mahilig nga ako guys, Si Janine yung batang mahilig mag-painting, mahilig mag-drawing. May picture yan noon na dati yan, yung ginagawa niya, uupo yan sa lamesa, bibigyan ko lang yan ng ballpen or crayons. Behave na yan, dami yan ang ginagawa. Kasi guys, kapag may anak kayo, especially to all mommies, kapag very hyper ang anak nyo, they need task. Bigyan nyo sila ng task guys to do something. Kasi yung mga bata dapat ay may ginagawa sila. And Janine is like that. We love to use puzzles. We build puzzles and drawing, paint. Ganun kami. Nagdo-draw kami, nagpipaint. Alam mo yung mga stones na yan? Yung mga stones, mangunguli kami in the beach or in the beach, because in Denmark there's a river, but you cannot find a stone like that. It's not ordinary river here in Philippines that you can find a stone. So we get stone from beach, and then we paint it flowers. Sometimes she will paint a kind of nature or animals like that, like rabbit. And or sometimes she paint butterflies. And ganyan kami guys magnanay. Ayun ako na nanay, simpleng nanay, pero I want to be a perfect to my daughter. Kaya yung surrounding ng anak ko sa bahay is clean, kasi hindi ako messy sa loob ng bahay. Yung kasama lang namin sa bahay ay very messy yun. At yun nga guys, yun ang buhay ko nung maraming taon. Naging ay naging alipin ako ng ng sunod-sunuran kung paano sunod-sunurang demand nila. Kaya nung nakawala ako sa poder niya, I said, "Thank you, Lord." Say nag-ayos ako, nagpaka-blooming, nawindang ang mundo nila. Alam mo kung ano ginawa nila? Pinipilit nila akong sirain na sirain sa Denmark. And I don't care. I don't care. Besides, I'm away home when I was 18 years old and I want to continue my life in Philippines wherever I go. One day, I will come back there because I still have, family. Yeah. Mayroon, ang anak ko ay isa pa rin, di ba, sa taong alam ko na one day, she will make me happy or bring me back. Yes. Take note. Yung babe ko, I know naman na he's still there. And I know that someday he will come back here or visit me. Or not come back because it's first time that he will visit Philippines. Yes. And I will go with him. Yes. Ayun, yun lang guys. At ayun guys, si Mark ay yun yung tumulong sa akin. He helped me when I lost my job. He support what I need when I was there in Grino. Ayun guys, ang taong hero ng buhay ko, masasabi ko na hero ng buhay ko. Ayun, maikwento ko sa inyo ay siya ang nagsuporta ng kailangan ko guys nung time na wala akong trabaho sa Denmark at wala akong ibang makakapitan. Yes. Hindi yon ang doon kung bakit hindi dahil wala akong makakapitan. Ang bait niya na, gwapo pa, kaya ko sa coffee is 3-in-1 complete na. Ayun, at I want to say thank you. Thank you to you, Mark. Thank you to all of your support to me when I was there in Denmark. That you know that my life is very down. Yes, thank you. At ayun nga guys, yan guys yung nagbablock sa akin. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit napaka-KSP niyan. Kapag yung video na yan, in-upload, kung magbablock yan, ibablock niya ako. Akala niya siguro ay ngayon na wala na ako sa Denmark, ultimong sayaw hindi na ako marunong. Kaya kung ano yung matino-tino kong video niya, sisirain niya para iniisip niya masisira ang ang mundo ko. Masyado siyang pakialamera guys. Nagkaroon lang siya ng time para alamin ang buhay ko. Gusto niya ay sirain niya ang mundo ko. Excuse me girls, wala naman akong pakialam sa'yo kung masaya ka sa karelasyon mo. As long na hindi mo ako ginugulo, no problems. Yes. Huwag ka masyadong syunga-syungat at pakialamira sa buhay ko. I didn't allow you to manage my life, not you. Never. I'll never ask help to any one of you. Did you get it? Yeah. Accept.